This tutorial we will be learning how to blink an LED using an Arduino board. This is a very important baseline because it will give you a solid foundation to work on many sensor projects which will be coming soon on our Arduino Time account. So basically, starting off this project, all we need, the first component is an LED. You might have heard about it, right? An LED. The first thing to know about LED is the polarities. As you can see, this is this long terminal. This long terminal is called as the anode, or we can say the positive terminal. Right beside it is the negative terminal, which is called as the cathode. Here in this project, we're gonna insert this LED anywhere we want on the breadboard, with the positive side on the left and the negative side on the right. Just look how I'm doing it. Yes. So we have done with the LED. The next component we need is an resistor. You can use any kind of resistor like the color code of 330 ohms, 470 ohms, 1 kilo ohms, 1.5 kilo ohms, any resistors of these ranges. Here I am using this 470 ohm resistor. I will connect this 470 ohm resistor one end to the positive terminal of the LED and the other end to anywhere on the breadboard. Alright, now we will connect the negative part of the LED to the ground of the Arduino. As you can see here, it's a third pin. Alright, third pin is going to the ground. Here we go, we connected Arduino's ground. Now take another wire and connect the second part of the resistor, or the second end of the resistor, to pin number 2 of the digital pins right here. Here we go. As you can see, pin number 2 is been connected to the second end of the resistor, and the first end of the resistor is connected to the positive end of the LED. Alright, so now we are all set for the blink project. Now what we will do is upload the code. Let's go on to the code now. Here I have already written the code for you so as to better understand this. As you can see in the code, this code there is written as pin mode bracket 2 comma output. What does this line indicate? This line simply indicates that we have to give a command to Arduino whether this pin number 2 is an input pin or an output pin. By writing this instruction, you will tell Arduino that you are using pin number 2 as an output. Alright, now you can see here a digital write bracket 2 comma high. What does this statement means? This statement literally means turning the LED on. Exactly, turning the LED on. Don't look on this bracket. I'll explain to you this bracket afterwards. After this, go on to this instruction, that is digital write bracket 2 comma low. What does this instruction mean? This instruction means turning the LED off. Alright, now the meaning of this high is the voltage level is we are giving positive voltage to the LED by writing this instruction, or we can say in binary terms we are giving it 1. Alright, and this sentence, that is voltage low, means that we are giving binary number 0, or we are giving 0 volts by using this instruction to the LED, and this in turn turns off the LED. Here you can see delay 1000. What does this instruction mean? This means that the LED will blink for every 1 second. Alright, that's the code we will be uploading now. And now we will move on to the verify button. So first of all, before moving to the verify button, we need to connect the Arduino with the power USB cable. So now we will connect the Arduino with a power USB cable here. Here we go. So we have connected the Arduino with the power USB cable. You can see the blinking lights here. The on light is blinking here. So that means the connections are right and there is no fault in the Arduino. Alright, now let's move on to the Arduino part. So now verifying the code here. You can verify the code here. You can see that the code is being verified here. It's been getting verified here right now. So verifying literally means that you are basically trying to rectify if there are any errors in the code. Alright, there are no errors in the code here. So we are ready to upload it. So we are uploading it. Uploading literally means that you are sending this whole code into the Arduino, and the Arduino converts this code into the digital form, which will be shown us by the blinking of the LED. That's what our project means. So here we go, we have done uploading. There are no errors, so we are all set to look for the output. And here we go. This is the output. You can see that the LED is blinking for after every 1 second. So that's what we have written in the code as an instruction called delay bracket 1000 bracket complete and semicolon. That literally means that the LED will blink after every 1 second. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you understand this blinking LED experiment, and I will bring you more projects in the near future. Thanks.